President Joe Biden announced that the United States would send a second aid package of $800 million worth of military assistance to Ukraine to aid the country as it fights a defensive war against Russia's invading military. Among the other things in the aid package was a line entry for 100 tactical unmanned aerial systems, better known as kamikaze drones with loitering munitions. The Switchblade is a flying camera robot with an explosive inside. These all-electric machines are weapons that will help find or attack nearby enemies, not far away ones. Switchblades come in two sizes, the Switchblade 300 and Switchblade 600. Both can be carried by one person. The Switchblade 300 can hit targets at a range of just over 6 miles, and can fly for a total of 15 minutes. The Switchblade contains cameras and video from these sensors, as well as GPS information and image processing, is used to guide the Switchblade. The Switchblade is also designed to receive targeting information from other drones, allowing it to follow and find selected targets. That makes it one weapon among many that can be directed against a target with the targeting information from other drones. What is different for the Switchblade, compared to other missiles, is that the human operator has the possibility of calling off the attack if something changes, like a civilian walking into the area or the cameras revealing what the operator thought was a tank to be a school bus instead. That's different from something like a high-flying Reaper drone, which fires missiles that can't be turned around. Switchblade's drones of any type will be a significant boost for Ukrainian forces fighting a larger and better equipped Russian military. These weapons would help with the hit-and-run tactics employed by the Ukrainian troops against their Russian adversaries.